So the final topic of this class is formatting numerical outputs. So once you have your numerical values assigned to numerical variables, you want to display that in some sort of text box or a label. And to do that, you need to convert your numerical data type to a string data type, because the text boxes and labels, they can only handle string data types. And the syntax for doing that is that you have the variable name followed by your dot and followed by toString, and then followed by in brackets your formatting code. So now what is formatting? Formatting is basically like you want to format your output in a certain way. Suppose you have a big number with a lot of decimal points, 3.15689 whatever. So you want to change that to like only 3.15, only 2 decimal places. So that's one type of formatting where you identify the significant digits or the precision or the number of decimal points basically. Another type of formatting is, you have this number, it might be representing some sort of money. So then you use the currency format specifier. You put a dollar sign, put some thousand sign, use only 2 decimal points, stuff like that. So there are 4 different format specifiers. The currency format specifier is for dollar signs, puts a dollar sign in front of the number. You have commas for thousands, and then there's the number format, same as the dollar except that it does not include a dollar sign. Then the fixed point format, which is same as the number format but does not include those commas for thousands. And finally your percent format, which basically takes your value, numerical value, and then multiplies it by 100 and displays a percent sign at the end. And for negative values, the currency format encloses the negative values in parentheses, while everything else just puts a minus sign in front of the number. And remember, when we are converting to strings from numerical data types, we're not changing the number to like a spell out of the number, right? We're not converting 5 to FIVE. The number is still displayed as a number, it's just internally it is being identified as a string. So anyways, the examples here basically show you how to do it. So you have, suppose, a variable called commission with your money value stored in it, and you want to put that in a label or output that in a label. So that's your example 1. Commission label dot text, or the text in the commission label would be whatever is in commission. Convert that to a string using within dual quotes. So I didn't mention this before. So when you're doing the formatting, whatever format you're choosing has to be within dual quotes. And so the first one is your formatting specifier, it will be a letter, and your second would be a number identifying how many decimal points you want. So C2 is saying that you'll be in currency format with 2 decimal points. And similarly, the other examples are should be simple to understand now. So in the application, we just added a code which specifies the format for the total price output and being output in the total price label. So we use the C2 format, and it puts a dollar sign in front and 2 decimal points. So that brings us to the end of the class. Let me know if you have any questions, and the next 2 slides will be just summary of what we talked about.